If you're building a website with Next.js, one of the crucial features you'll need is routing. Next.js offers a range of powerful routing options, including client-side, dynamic, and nested routes. In this video, we'll take a closer look at each of these route types and explore how to implement them using Next.js. Let's start with client-side routing. In client-side routing, the client navigates between pages without having to make a request to the server for a new page. To implement client-side routing in Next.js, we can use the link component. In this example, we import the link component and use it to create links to the About and Blog pages. Next up is dynamic routing. Dynamic routing is the process of generating a page based on a parameter in the URL. With Next.js, dynamic routing is easy to implement using the getStaticProps and getStaticPaths methods. In this example, we use getStaticPaths to fetch a list of all posts and generate an array of paths to pre-render at build time. We then use getStaticProps to fetch the data for the post with the specified ID parameter. Finally, let's take a look at nested routing. Nested routing allows you to create nested pages or sections within a website. Implementing nested routing in Next.js is easy to do using the useRouter hook. In this example, we use the useRouter hook to get information about the current route, including the category and item parameters. We then use this information to build out the nested routes and display the appropriate content based on the parameters. Routing is a critical feature of any website or web app, and Next.js provides a range of powerful routing options. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web app, Next.js has the routing tools you need to create a smooth and intuitive user experience.